Again, today is a Saturday, May 18th, 2024. I'm going to read this article that I saved a long time ago. I am keen on or interested in flavonoids. Yeah, someone told me long time ago, like 10 years ago, that my headache could be cured from drinking a liquid form of flavonoids, but I still need to find the liquid form of flavonoids and in large quantity at that. Regardless, let's learn how flavonoid can help with our brain activities, neuron regeneration, and recovery from brain injury. The reason I am trying to read this article is to practice English. Uh, Probably I remember that author, the Dr. Poonam Sakdev, uh, but she wrote another article, I think. So I'm going to read this new article for you and myself. Yes, I need to practice English every day by reading an English article each day. Usually, I try to read an article with 20 to 30-minute length. So previously, a moment ago, 1 hour ago, I read two articles, but they just uh, add up to be about 20 minutes only. So I'm going to read this article within 10 minutes, within the 10-minute length period. So here we go. Top foods are high in flavonoids, medically reviewed by Poonam Sekdev, MD, on July 11th, 2023, written by WebMD editorial contributor. 5-minute read. It will be 10-minute read for me. Usually it's three times, so three times the estimated length by the native speaker. So it will be like a 50-minute read. What are flavonoids? Flavonoids are plant compounds with a variety of health benefits. Many plant-based foods, as well as beverages such as tea and wine, contain flavonoids. Wine, let's remember that. Tea and wine and many plant-based foods contain flavonoids. Many studies have shown the benefits of these plant chemicals. Phytonutrients, researchers suggest that a diet rich in flavonoids could reduce your risk for cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and some types of cancer. Cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and some types of cancer. You might also hear about flavonoids called vitamin P, bioflavonoids, or polyphenols. Polyphenols are flavonoids too, right? Vitamin P, bioflavonoids, or polyphenols. Plants use these compounds for their own growth. Okay, so for their own growth. They help plants attract pollinators and fight infections. They also give some fruits and vegetables their deep, rich colors. So the flavonoids are used to attract pollinators. Also they produce deep, rich colors. Berries of all sorts are rich in flavonoids, plant compounds that help lower your risk of chronic disease. Photo credit Hillary Clyde get images, so stock photos, right? Types of flavonoids. Now the berry season is in Korea now, so I'm gonna eat a lot of mountain berries soon or later when I visit mountains over the weekends. Types of flavonoids. There are six main classes of flavonoids. Flavonols. The most studied flavonols are quercetin, myricetin, and fisetin. Flavonols are linked to many health benefits. including a lower risk of heart disease. They are found in lettuce, tomatoes, onions, kale, apples, grapes, berries, tea, red wine. Isoflavonoids, so flavonoids, right? Flavonoids. Isoflavonoids. These compounds are found mostly in legumes and soybeans and less commonly in other plants. Some are considered to be phytoestrogens, a form of estrogen that we can get from food. Flavonoids. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits have flavonoids. These compounds make citrus juice and peels taste bitter. They help lower inflammation, act as antioxidants, lower cholesterol, lower fat levels in your blood. Flavonols. Flavonols are also called flavonoids or catechins. Black tea, oolong tea, and chocolate are rich in catechins. I need to drink a lot of chocolate, rich in catechins. Black tea, oolong tea. They are also found in fruits, including bananas, blueberries. Ooh, I should eat a lot of bananas from now on. Blueberries, of course. Peaches, of course, I like peaches. Apples, pears. Anthocyanins, the color of red, purple, and blue fruits comes from anthocyanins. Cyanins. They are found in red grapes, cranberries, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, bilberries, and blackberries. Blackberries are more like aronia, right? Aronia. Chalcones. These are thought to have antioxidant properties. Some types of these compounds are used in beauty products. Foods high in chalcones include tomatoes, pears, strawberries, barberries, and wheat. Ooh, wheat. Health benefits of flavonoids. Experts are still studying how flavonoids affect health, but some of the potential benefits include antioxidant effects. Your body makes free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells. Free radicals, right? Free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells. This damage can lead to inflammation and contribute to other problems such as cancer and heart disease. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals. Flavonoids have been shown to have antioxidant effects. They might help prevent chronic diseases, but your body may not absorb them as well as other antioxidants like vitamin C. Heart disease prevention. Flavonoids might reduce your risk for heart disease. Their antioxidant activity could help lower inflammation and blood pressure. Diabetes prevention. Flavonoids may reduce your risk for type 2 diabetes because they improve how your body uses glucose, sugar, and digests carbohydrates. A study of 200,000 people showed that those who consumed lots of flavonoids had a lower risk of diabetes. Brain health. Flavonoids might protect your brain by lowering inflammation and protecting your vascular blood vessel system. Studies show a type of flavonoids found in cocoa could improve brain function, memory, and blood flow. Flavonoids might protect your brain by lowering inflammation and protecting your vascular blood vessel system. Studies show a type of flavonoids found in cocoa could improve brain function, memory, and blood flow. Cancer prevention. A long-term review of several studies found that a diet rich in flavonoids leads to a reduced risk of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. The studies suggest that different flavonoids help protect against specific types of cancer. For example, anthocyanidins decrease lung cancer risk, while flavonols reduce the risk of prostate cancer. That's why it's best to consume a variety of plant foods, managing chronic pain and inflammation. Another review study looked at flavonoids' anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Flavonoids were found to reduce cells' response to pain. Researchers proposed that flavonoids could someday be used to manage chronic pain and treat inflammatory diseases. Treating viral infections. Flavonoids have known antibacterial and antiviral effects. Many lab studies show that certain flavonoids can help keep the H1N1 flu, HIV, SARS, and RSV viruses from reproducing themselves. But we need more research to figure out how flavonoids might work in the body against viruses. Foods with the most flavonoids. You can buy many flavonoid supplements, but as with most nutrients, it's probably best to get them from food. These 10 foods are some of the best sources of dietary flavonoids. 1. Berries. All berries contain flavonoids, but some varieties are more potent than others. Blackberries are particularly powerful and include all 6 types of flavonoids. Blueberries, cherries, raspberries also contain all flavonoids. Strawberries have moderate amounts of anthocyanidins. Yeah, I ate a lot of strawberries these days. Red cabbage, too. Another great source of anthocyanidins is red cabbage. Anthocyanidins have been studied for their protective effects against cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and age-related thinking disorders. 3. Onions. Onions are the basis of many different cuisines, and it's no wonder why. This humble vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients and adds flavor to any dish. Onions are a great source of flavonols, which can reduce the risk of prostate cancer. 4. Kale. This leafy green is another great source of flavonols. Kale leaves make an excellent base for salads. You can also add them to soups and stews to boost their nutritional value. If you don't care for the taste, add the kale to smoothies and protein shakes. 5. Parsley. Parsley provides more flavonols in the American diet than any other food. It contains over 130 milligrams of flavonols per gram, and it added to soups and sauces or sprinkle over dishes before serving. Parsley. I need to eat parsley, man. Let's check out what the parsley looks like, just in case you are wondering. Parsley. Yeah, broccoli. I was confused with the broccoli, parsley, right? Parsley, like a mugwort. I need to eat a lot of mugwort, man. Mugwort is very good for your health, right? Wrong? Tea. One of the easiest ways to add flavonoids to your diet is to drink tea. Green, oolong, and black teas all contain high levels of flavonols, which have been studied for their benefits to heart and brain health. Red wine. Another good source of flavonols is red wine. Red wine in moderation has many health benefits and may help lower your risk for cardiovascular disease. 8. Dark chocolate. Chocolate and cocoa are both high in flavonols. Cocoa, in particular, has been studied for its brain boosting properties and its protective effect on the cardiovascular system. So, naturally, let's check out what the cocoa looks like, right? Yajasu, cocoa, right? No, cocoa is the seed that produces chocolate. Uh, right? Yajasu date, coconut. I was confused with the coconut, man. Damn. 9. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruit, tangerines, lemons, and limes contain flavonoids. Juicing these fruits gives you a more concentrated source of these healthy plant compounds. Try squeezing fresh lemon or lime juice into ice water to add nutritional value. 10. Soybeans. Soybeans come in many forms and are a top source of isoflavonoids. Edamame, tofu, and tempeh can boost the isoflavonoids in your diet. Isoflavonoids are thought to help protect against reproductive cancers such as breast, ovarian, prostate, and testicular cancers. Magnesium. Yeah, I read this article by this doctor, right? So from this article, no such new words that I wanted to learn, but let's go to bio page for this doctor, right? Poonam Sakdev, MD, obtained her bachelor's degree in medicine and surgery (MBBS) from Madras Medical College, Chennai, India. She graduated from the University of Gujarat in 2003 with a Doctor of Medicine degree, specializing in pediatrics. Since 2008, she has had extensive experience in writing on various medical topics for the general public and for doctors. Her special interests include working for underprivileged children. When not working, she likes spending time in her garden and reading. She looks very intelligent and cute and pretty and also dateable. Yeah, I would mind meeting her uh, over a cup of tea or dark chocolate. We need to consume a lot of flavonoids. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful Saturday.